Today we got the Tecno Spark Go 2023. This device needs a screen replacement. Remove SIM card tray first. Start detaching from the SIM card tray and don't broke. It's tight or could be broke this area near the SIM card tray. Alright, the back has been removed. This is very good. Now we are going to remove all the screws and then we are going to remove the fingerprint flex cable. Alright, remove the plastic shield. It could be removed easily. There is nothing on it. Unplug the battery and unplug screen flex cable. Now we are going to go back at the bottom and remove all the screws, unplug connector. Let's now remove the battery. There is a sticker. We have to remove the battery from it. Alright. Sometimes this adhesive could be broke while we are removing it and making removing the battery very hard to us. So keep rolling with the tweezer and it beans cut. Sometimes this is noisy, we don't know what to do. You have to take all the adhesive from under it. I don't like the adhesive under the battery like this way. Sometimes it could be broke and sometimes it's easy to be pull out. Alright, keep pushing slowly until we remove all the adhesive under the battery. Alright, it has been removed. After that, we are going to remove the screen, the LCD. Alright. In every job, you don't have to be fast, you just go patient. I'm removing the alcohol. I put some alcohol under the battery. So to make this black adhesive soft so I can remove the battery. This screen is smashed and we are going to remove it. You may replace a screen with a frame, so you don't have to do that. You just need to transfer all the parts from the old one to the new one. But in this case, we are going to remove the LCD and cleaning under it and putting a new one in the position. Alright, in this LCD, we have removed the air speaker shield. It's with the screen. It has been removed with the screen. So we have to return it back to the frame. That's very important. We don't need dust to go under the screen and under the air speaker. You can use any plastic cards to remove the screen. These cards, I took them from 3D screens for iPhone. 3D screens, it's not 3D screens, it's for a screen protector, 3D screen protector for iPhones. So I keep them. Alright, the screen, it's trash. We don't need it. Just keep the air speaker shield. It's on it. We are going to remove it later. No, not later. Alright, some alcohol and then we can take out. Don't broke it. It's very tiny and it's so soft. It could be broke in flash eye. In a flash, in a second of flash. Alright. Every time to make a good repair, we have to clean all over the border, all over the frame. This is very important. Consider subscribing. Sometimes a tiny piece of glass could break the new one we put. So you have to make it very clean, remove all tiny pieces, remove dust, and remove the adhesive it's from the company. So we can make it all straight, and then the LCD, the new one, will fits in its position. And this is very important. We don't need the screen to be flat, not flat, to be not straight. We can speak that. So that's important in every repairing of the screens to make our job looks like perfect. As you can see how we cleaning, you have to do that. I should speed this up, but I didn't. I don't know why. Maybe to let you see the time I do or work while I'm doing this repair. You don't have to be patient. We could broke the frame and we don't need to do that. We are just scratching the tiny glasses, the dust, and the adhesive. After that, we do cleaning with alcohol to make the frame really good, like it's new. Be careful where is the ear speaker, and we have sensors right there, please. Make sure not to cover the sensors. It's in the right of the camera of the top front camera, all right, on the right side. There is sensors. We don't need to block them when we put the glue. We're now doing the clean, but when we put the glue, we have to make it clear. I'm cleaning with the alcohol. You can see how it's clean now, and this is perfect. We should do perfect job for the customer. We are here to doing our job in perfectly way. Not every shop or not every place doing repair doing this job like this way. They may be fast, not cleaning too well, so they doing a pad replacement or pad repairing. It's not that bad, but it's bad in its shape. If you are going to market like perfect, it will not be. I'm removing all the adhesive on the sensors. I can see some adhesive and I'm going to remove it. I don't need to block or making any problem with the device. Alright, a small line of that adhesive will be fine. Don't block your speaker, camera, and the sensors. This one, it's from Market Relief or Company Relief. It's CP002 or 302. I can't remember. I can't see the name exactly, but it's CP002 or 0002. It's a black and it's a water resistant. It said, I didn't test it, but it said on the packet, on the adhesive itself. Alright, we can see, and now we fit the screen on. Everything seems perfect. The screen fits in position. Now we are going to put the bottom flex cable and the top flex cable in the position, and we are going to finish this video. I think all the tough work has been done. Now we just need to close it as it was. You may go in reverse, and that's it. There is nothing to add, there is nothing to do more. Just put the battery, and we are going to put the fingerprint sensor, and then we close the back. In this video, I think everything has been told, but if you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.